Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're digging out another New York City video from the New York Vault. It's Top of the Rock at Rockefeller Center. Top of the Rock's 3 levels of indoor and outdoor observation decks deliver spectacular, unobstructed views of the city skyline. Top of the Rock is a personal 3-level observation deck favorite of mine because, well, if you're at the Empire State Building, you can't really see the Empire State Building, can you? But when you're at Top of the Rock, you get to see all the skyscrapers. The Empire State Building is right in front of you, beautiful any time of the day. You also get to see the One World Trade Center, as well as Central Park. It's just got, I think, the best views of all the observation decks here in Manhattan. And if you go at dusk, which I think you should, you get to see these beautiful views during the day as well as lit up during the evening. Soaring 70 floors above Rock Center, it's one of the top things to do if you're visiting New York City. It's also got a really cool glass-ceilinged elevator, which we're going to check out during the video. By the way, shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Cabby, the New York City cab, in my South Street Seaport video, and also to Deborah Camacho, Robert's wife, by the way, who found Clarice in the Golden Nugget room tour video. And for those of you who never realized it, my logo, the New York logo, is fashioned after a checkered cab. Anyway, unlike other New York Vault videos that I've been digging out lately, I'm going to leave the background volume up a little bit higher on this one so we can hear the sounds of the city and people talking and walking by. It is a very windy day, so there might be some wind noise. I will play some music in the background, but again, I'm going to leave the background audio a little bit higher. So it's very windy out there, especially up top. Get your hairspray, some Dramamine, get ready for a bad hair day. We're going to the Top of the Rock, people.
Hello, I'm David Rockefeller, and I'd like to welcome you to this unique place and the chance to see New York City from a very special vantage point.
Remember there are 2 more that was after the 69 and 70. Anyway, see everybody. Are you okay?
Just gonna jump in here for a moment. Right now we're looking north, and that's Central Park, which is why it's so flat and level in front of us. Central Park actually takes up 1/4 the size of the island of Manhattan. Those tall buildings are actually brand new condominiums. They've only been around for a couple of years. They are the tallest, thinnest buildings in the world. And you might notice some pixelation on this video, which means that it's a little blurry, and that's because I just got this camera for vlogging. Again, this is an older video dug out of the New York vault, and this was my first outing with the camera, so I'll blame it on that. I'm certainly not going to blame it on myself. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.